Little camera setup. How we doing, folks? Alan and Justin coming at you for Ozark Mountain Outdoor Ventures. We are out in the middle of the boonies. Right now we're in Mark Twain. We're doing some trail cam placement this evening. We're wanting to set a mineral site, get it established in time to start getting some intel on some bucks for early season bow hunting. So we're coming at you here. We're going to be doing a little bit of some do's and don'ts and tips and tricks here on trail cam placement. So stay tuned with us.
All right, Al, what do we got going on?
All right, you know how we are. We're pretty redneck. But what you want to do is you want to clear yourself out about a 3x3 section. Pick out your favorite brand of mineral supplement, and then what we're going to start doing here is tilling up the ground just a little bit. Justin has zeroed in on a kill tree. We're about 30 yards from it, 35 yards, and in the clear. So we're going to go ahead and establish this close to the main trail, and hopefully we'll get some picks here for you. So let's go ahead and just start tilling up this ground just a little bit. Now again, you want to check your Missouri state regulations for conservation area. Fortunately, we are on national forest, able to do this here. So anyway, check your local state regs. Get your favorite brand. I believe this is deer cane. Spread it out. Stuff really stinks. This contains minerals and also draws out the natural minerals. It's supposed to immediately attract deer. Suggesting you'll probably have some pictures within 24 hours, 48 hours. Putting on half a gallon. Directions say the whole gallon, but I'm not doing that. Get at least a couple of applications. Okay, trail cam. Hopefully we'll have some nice results for you in a pretty short amount of time. We'll give this area a little bit of time. So anyway, basically depending on your trigger distance, you want to set that up appropriately. I like to get it as close as possible, but then clear out any debris in front of you. So easy peasy. We'll get back to you. Stay with us.
Alright, we've got our cam set. And there's Al right there at the site. We got probably 15-20 feet in between, you know, just distance back so we can actually see what's going on. Got that mineral dumped and everything, so hopefully here within a few days we'll start seeing coming in. We're going to let this site sit for a while. Not even going to come in here, disturb anything for a little while, and then we'll just see what we can pull in. Do
not like the ground of that. I got it set on 5-second delay. I'm going for pictures. Good to go. Let's go off that way. Alright folks, well hopefully that pans out for an early season buck. Hopefully we'll get some really nice antler growth between now and then. There's definitely been enough time in the season that we should be able to identify shooters and not shooters, but still a lot of time left in the preseason. Stay tuned.
Look at that ground there. That is tore up. We got something, I guarantee we got something on this camera. Check it out.
Alright folks, well, we definitely have had some activity here. The camera is functioning properly. We have over 1,800 pics. We have a nice group of does coming through here. We do have a couple of small bucks and this other buck that we can't tell exactly what it is. I'm going to give you a little bit more review on the quality of the photos coming up. We're going to leave this trophy rock here, and this should carry us over into archery season. But we're going to hurry up and get out of here without disturbing, without disturbing this area. So anyway, stay tuned.
Hi guys, Justin here of Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures, coming back at you here. I am checking this trail cam that me and Al put up a couple months ago. It's been up taking some good photos. We have not been in here for 6 weeks now. It's really letting that camera get whatever footage it's going to get, and packing my stand in here today. Get it set up. We're about a week out before opening the bow season. A little late to the game on packing my stand in, but I think we'll be fine. And let's just see how this ground looks up over here. Alright guys, as you can see, these deer, they've just been tearing this ground up right here. So I'm hoping that they'll have me something that I can put on the ground for about a week. Stay with it. Guys, I got this other trail cam set. I'll get Alan his back and we'll take a look and see what pictures we got, and hopefully there's something on camera there, so bear with us. It's going to be another epic year for us. Last year it was just phenomenal on everything that we got done, so stay with us. We got a lot of stuff coming at you, and a couple surprises right there in the beginning. So let's see what this season's gonna get us. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.